Today we will show you how to replace the battery in your Garmin Cadence sensor. You will need a new CR2032 battery and your Cadence sensor to complete this process. There are two styles of Cadence sensor battery doors depending on when you purchased your device. Rotate the door counterclockwise if yours does not have a lever. Some Cadence sensors have a lever used to release the door. If your Cadence sensor has a lever, pull up on the lever and rotate the door counterclockwise to open. Gently pull the white tab to remove the battery from the door. Be careful not to damage or lose the O-ring gasket. Wait 30 seconds, then install the new battery with the negative side facing up. Make sure to keep the white tab out to change the battery in the future. Align the cover so the marker points to unlocked. The cover must be flush with the sensor. Rotate the cover clockwise until the marker points to locked. The LED will flash green a few times after the battery replacement. The sensor is ready to pair when it stops. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.